Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey everyone, Dominique here and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you are new, welcome. This is my twin Tosh and I am getting her ready for a video shoot today. She is doing the honors of cooking out for the video shoot. So we're going to be her face for the one time. First and foremost, we're going to do the brows, and I showed you what I would be using is the eye pomade by the Crayon Case in the color Ebony. And she has really, really thick brows, and it's okay. She came to me without them being waxed, but it's all right because at this point they still gonna be slayed, just be thickums, because who don't like thick eyebrows? Anyways, we're gonna get this show popping. She just asking a whole bunch of questions, and I think she was talking about my light and all this other stuff, and throughout this video it's gonna be a whole bunch of girl talk. So some of these parts I probably, honestly, some things I probably forgot to record because it was so deep into conversation, and I do apologize for that in advance. And some parts I had to cut out because some video clips was pretty long. But anyways, we're going to start off with that brow, and I'm just using a concealer brush to add this pomade because I could not find my angled brush that I used to apply this that I bought with it from the website. But anyways, we're just going to do these brows and get it popping.
Back to that, I ain't the one to give you no hassle. You a Georgia peach, I come from the apple. We both perform on stage. I rap, you clap, the money gets stacked. Facts, something like the Players Club in that flick. She do it for her son and that certificate.
Alrighty, so we will be using the box of crayons on her eyes today. I'm gonna just tell you the colors that we are using. It will be pink, yellow, and it will be also an orange from the Juvia's Place palette. I think it's Afrique. So there was a beautiful orange in Afrique that we had used for her eyes, and she wanted to go for cookout summer sunset vibes on her eyes. So as you can see, the colors that I said are pretty much self-explanatory. Right now she's asking her lives for some help. We did go live on her Instagram page at the moment. And right now, we're just chit-chatting up and about to get started. First things first, I believe I started with the yellow. Yep, it was yellow, pink, and then orange. Or was it yellow, orange, then pink? We shall see. And anyways, keep watching.
Hey, running back, front row, thunderstorm, waiting on the thunderclap. But it ain't all about strip club now. Even if it's the hole in the wall, she'll make it where you never leave it out. And she'll be there when you call. I'm talking about no southern girl. Mama so bad, she's a boss, now she got her own bag. I think I want a southern girl. Mama so bad, she's a boss, now she got her own bag.
So the color scheme was yellow, orange, and pink. And this will not be the finished look. Let me just bring that out there. This is not the finished look. This right here will be her background shades, multicolored background shades. And coming up in a few seconds, you will see me do a magnificent cut crease.
Talking about them southern girls. Yeah.
As always, to achieve my cut creases, I always use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee and a small concealer brush to get my precision and crease at a perfected shape.
In the Sunshine State when she was 8, a southern girl who raised me. Look at me, track record too long to fit in this song. Strong ass women, tougher than leather, tougher than the pair denim ass belly fit in them.
Disregarding any given moment, if you guys just see nothing but my back, maybe that is the point where sometimes I forgot I was recording and or doing the right side of her face. So you might see a little bit of back, but I know I cut a lot of it out. And yeah, at this point I yelled at her for trying to open her eyes when her concealer was still drying. Okay, we do not want that to transfer at the top. That's what we don't want. That would have set me off and it would have not been pretty.
She's a boss and she got her own bag. I think I want a Southern girl. Mama so bad. She's a boss and she got her own bag.
Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. She's shaking what her mama gave. They all want that ass.
So for the crease shade, I use a very holographic pink. It was not holographic, but it was like iridescent. As you can see, it looks pinky gold at different angles, and it's from Nikki K. Her 32 colors palette is a very old palette that I have, my very first palette that I ever gotten when I was starting, you know, playing with the eyeshadows and whatnot. But it's very iridescent and it was very pretty, and that's what she wanted. Of course, every time she comes get her face done, she just is very bold and loves colors. But at that point, I was cleaning up the fallout, and now we're doing the foundation. We're using NYX Stay Flat But Matte foundation in Deep Rich, and also e.l.f. foundation blurring brush to blend that into perfection all over her face. And for setting up her face, I primed her face with some just some regular setting powder from setting powder from LA Girl, I believe. Yes, it was from LA Girl, and I'm going to show you in a second. But just place that all over her face just to get it matte and set and ready to go.
They hustle from my mama and that ass too. Ain't falling victim to no lanes when they pass through. Mind frame, big bang, better be about it. You ain't down to scrape for it. Southern girl to see about it. Independent, educated. She a queen, but she get down on it if she want it when it's elevated. Percolator. Hey, running back, front row, thunderstorm, waiting on the thunderclap. But it ain't all about strip club now. Even if it's the hole in the wall, she'll make it where you never leave it out. And she'll be there when you call. I'm talking about no Southern girl.
Mama so bad. She's a boss and she got her own bag. I think I want a Southern girl. Mama so bad. She's a boss and she got her own bag. Don't you love a Southern girl? Yeah, with all that crap. Oh, baby, yeah. Southern girl, don't you love a Southern girl? Oh, with all that sad.
So I had this foundation for a while, and luckily, this was always a perfect match for her. And this is how you would really want your foundation to look. Just like skin, a perfect match. You do not want something so super light or too dark. I feel like this was just fine for her, and it always worked out perfectly. Gosh, talk today.
I think I want a Southern girl. Mama so bad. She's a boss and she got her own bag. Yeah. Check it. My mom was born in Alabama, raised in the Sunshine State when she was 8. A Southern girl who raised me. Look at me, track record too long to fit in this song. Strong ass women, tougher than leather, tougher than the pair denim ass belly fit in them.
So as you can see, while I'm about to take some IG videos and some camera roll videos, I'm just going to talk to you about concealing and contouring. The contour that I use is from Fenty Beauty, her Match Trio in the deep sets. And the concealer I use to conceal her with is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, just under the eyes and the bridge of the nose and under the cupid's bow, and of course the chin. As far as contour, you make sure you always want to blend upward. Here goes my back again. Anyways, blend upward when you are trying to chisel them cheeks. And as far as the forehead, make it a little smaller, you know. Her forehead ain't that big, but don't tell her I said that. But yeah, just blended that out, and that's the finished look. As far as blending baby girl out, zooming it in, playing around with the camera. And now we are about to try to finesse her eyelashes. Okay, story behind her eyelashes right quickly. She went to go get them done, you know, get her lashes done. And as you can see, there's only one side done and the other side isn't. So that right there, my friend, is not my fault. That's hers. She can tell you all about it. But I just try to add some mascara just to try to at least match the other side. But the other side was beautiful. Whoever was starting her lashes were beautiful. It was just the process was taking 5 hours, she said, and she had to go to the cookout. But don't worry, she's going to go back and get them done. Of course, she's not going to walk around with one lash done. Okay? Or is she?
I think I want a southern girl. Little mama so bad. She's a boss and she got her own bag.
Them shawty's cornbread thick, they chop the greens out the pot. Southern good whip the kitchen, plus they get to the knots. I'm talking taking care of home.
So, for the lip, we are using the Crayon Case Clean Kisses. Do not mind the look she gave because she thought it was Private Party. She doesn't like a really too light pink, but this one, Clean Kisses, is such a bomb color for women of color. Deeper, darker tones, medium tones, any tone, but definitely something that deeper, darker tones should look into. And just blending that out from the middle, and then on the ends, I just use a regular clear NYX Cosmetics gloss. And blot, blot, blot. Make it look marvelous. And the video is almost to an end, you guys. I cannot forget that her highlight is Anglola by the Crayon Case. That's one part that I did forget to record because talking so much, forgot to record that. Right now, playing with her hair. About to end this video out. And you guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will do so many more videos of this, like this. I was super nervous doing this because one, I wanted to make sure everything was recorded right, lighting was right, she was right, everything. Super nervous. But I hope you guys like it. Something quick. Easy, had to hurry up, you know, but see you next time. Bye.